Hey everyone, it's Elizabeth of Eliza and Calligraphy here, and this is a fun little video today of me doing some wax seals, or at least demonstrating how I'm doing them with the new wax seal stamps from my wax seal collection. So the first stamp that we have here is an Astrantia flower. I designed this one because I like the boldness of the flower, so I wanted to introduce a flower design to my collection that was bold but still elegant. So here's me showing it close. And basically this video is just going to be going through each individual cut of me doing each stamp for the collection. So this one that I'm doing right now is a mountain wax seal. And it was inspired by a mountain, specifically in Yosemite, and I have yet to see a mountain wax seal. I researched and wasn't able to find any, so I'm really excited that this one is being added to the collection. This next wax seal is a snail mail wax seal, which I'm really excited about because this wax seal can be used by just about anybody on any piece of mail that you're sending. It's a perfect little addition for any sort of package or letter. So I'm hoping that people are really going to enjoy using this one and surprising people with something extra and fun. This next seal I had a lot of fun designing. It's a bunny rabbit. It took a couple tries to get the design right so that the bunny didn't look scary, let's just put it that way. I'm really happy with this one though, especially for people that have a love of critters and animals. I'm really excited with some of the animal stamps that I've introduced to this collection. This next wax seal is a thank you stamp. I'm also excited about this one because it's another one that almost anybody is going to be able to use on their letters, especially for other vendors that maybe want to elevate their branding experience a little. This thank you wax seal is perfect for client gifts, letters to your clients, and so much more. So I'm really happy that I added this one to the wax seal collection. This next wax seal is a bird. I based it off of a sparrow, however, it does not have to be a sparrow specifically for a bride who is interested in a bird wax seal. And I thought this would be wonderful for brides and couples that are having maybe an outdoor theme wedding and are really interested in including some nature elements in their invitation suite. This is another nature critter, and it is inspired mainly by nostalgia from my childhood. So this wax seal might not be everyone's cup of tea, but I designed it because it's incredibly meaningful to me. And it is a moth, so it's more eccentric and might have to be used in different ways or for brides who are really interested in something like that, but I still love it. Next we have a Mr. and Mrs. wax seal stamp. Once again, perfect for any couple getting married that wants to just include a fun little addition to their invitation suite. So hopefully people will love using this one in multiple different ways. And it can also be used on the day of the wedding as well, on place cards, escort cards, menus, or any other paper goods really. This is another one of my personal favorites. It is a Magnolia flower, and the Magnolia flower has such a beautiful center, which is the reason that I actually designed this with more of a close-up of the flower instead of far away. For some reason, I don't hold this wax seal up to the camera, but click the link in the description to be taken to the website where I have all the wax seals listed. And this very last one is a pine cone wax seal stamp. So perfect for a winter wedding or a bride that is getting married up in the mountains. And this is my 10th and final wax seal, so I hope you enjoyed seeing all of them.